say hello to InnoVent, a hackathon for young innovators to come together and innovate together to solve the engineering challenges of tomorrow. Now, let me introduce you to the remarkable innovation structure at Tata Technologies. First, we prioritize upskilling for training programs with our innovators. Then, we harness the power of collaboration, sharing ideas, and working as a team. And lastly, we turn all our planning and effort into reality through our implementation framework. Tata Technologies InnoVent focuses on open innovation with academia, promoting collaboration beyond our company boundaries. For the next 6 months, you will be a part of a 3-round evaluation that will help you turn your creative ideas into real prototypes. The final presentation will be held in mid-December, where you will get to showcase your prototypes and the impact it can make. Let us now hear from our leader, Mr. Santosh Singh, EVP and Global Head of Marketing and Business Excellence, about the InnoVent program and industry-academia collaboration at such a level.
Hello everybody, I'm excited to join you live for the launch of Tata Technologies InnoVent, our innovation program that is designed to upskill and mentor young engineering students so that they could innovate solutions that address real-life challenges. Our innovation approach is underpinned by a core value of can-do attitude, a value that challenges all of us at Tata Technologies to continuously innovate new solutions, innovate our processes, and deliver economic impact. Innovation has been central and essential to our DNA for a long time. Long before electric vehicles became fashionable, we innovated an all-electric urban runabout EMO in 2011 and showcased it in North American Auto Show in 2012. Since then, we have innovated several solutions around electric vehicles, including platforms, simulation solutions, and lightweighting vehicle architecture solutions, and offered this to many of our customers across the globe, including traditional OEMs and startups. Our teams across the globe leverage a global mindset to collaborate, share knowledge, and innovate solutions for our customers. And today, we want to extend that network to engineering students and colleges across. We want to leverage young creative minds to think about unsolved challenges and solve them, and encourage them in innovating solutions that address real challenges being faced by our customers. As you would have heard earlier, we have specified a number of areas on which we are looking for project entries. These include electric vehicles, connected vehicles, autonomous vehicles, cybersecurity, manufacturing IoT, as well as generative AI. And we believe that real impactful innovations in these areas would create a dramatic impact on the manufacturing industry. Apart from cash prizes, we would also offer our innovation learning module to shortlisted teams. This will help them learn about innovation tools and techniques that we use at Tata Technologies. What's more, our SMEs will personally mentor and encourage shortlisted finalists, and I'll be personally investing my time in projects that are very competitive and represented by diverse teams. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and submit your entries now.